We'll guide you through how to factory reset AirPods 4. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're running into some type of problem, or you're trying to go and do this because you're getting rid of them, you're giving them away or selling them. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this, but often if you're facing a problem, doing this will go and resolve it. So to go and get started, you want to go and grab your AirPods. You want to go and make sure they've got battery. When you open up the case, you see the glowing lights and make sure they're both in the case. And just to confirm you've got AirPods 4, there's no button on the back, as you can see. Now, what you want to do is you do need to come onto your iPhone like so, and you need to go and open up the settings. You should go and see the AirPods here. If you don't, you can always go and press Bluetooth and they should go and be connected. And then what you need to do is go and press the I to the right or go and tap them at the top. You go and see we get taken to the same place. Then what you need to do is go and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you want to go and find the option for forget this device, because we need to go and make sure they're removed from the Apple ID account. Otherwise, they'll go and still be on it. So press forget this device, and then you can go and press forget device and confirm it's going to be removed from the iCloud account. Otherwise, another person can use it on theirs. And then what you want to do is go and close the AirPods case and go and open it again and double click on the green light, or double tap, I should say. It will go white, double tap again. Then you double tap again. And then what should happen is it will go and start flashing orange or glowing orange, as you can see. Go and wait. And now it's glowing white. So they're now going to be factory reset. So you can close the case. Then what you can do is come back onto an iPhone or another device, and then they should go and open up. And as you can see, these are the AirPods. That's it. So that's it. The AirPods 4 are now factory reset. Hopefully, if you now go and connect them again, you're now going to find that they're working. And if you're trying to give them away, you can. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. We've got loads more on the GuideRealm channel covering a wide range of different things, from AirPods to iPhone to Android to games to Windows, it doesn't matter. I look forward to help you again in the future with whatever it may be.